Hey, what's going on, guys? Outdoors with Kevin? Outdoors. Well, kind of. I'm in my tent, so I am outdoors, but I'm inside my tent and getting my bed all set up for camping tonight. And I wanted to share with you guys my cool new Trakiom outdoor pillow. And I've never been a fan of blow-up pillows until now. So technology's come a long ways, and I want to show you guys. So the coolest feature, well, it comes in this really nice stuff sack, and it's really quality. Like when you just grab this, you're like, oh, this is nice. Just this feels nice by itself. And has a little carabiner, a bungee to tighten it, and you stuff it in there. But the coolest part of this is that it's really, really soft. Everything about this thing is soft, and it's like a quilted, fleecy, not quite fleece, more like polyester softness, right? So it's not quite fleece. And it also has a nice bungee strap, so I can strap it to my air pad, my Thermarest right here. So let's blow this thing up real quick. And has a nice little branding. It says Trakiom right there, which is high end. It's quality product for sure. And inside is the kind of the rubberized bladder that you're going to blow up. But it's got a really nice two-way valve. So I can pop just the top valve, and I can open up the whole thing right here. So if you really want to blow it up nice and fast. So now once you get it kind of blown up, now I can also blow it up through just this valve here. And what's cool is I blow it up and it doesn't leak right out. So that's what I like about this middle valve. Okay, now I've got it nice and tight. Now there's a button in here. So I can push this little button. And then I can get it the firmness that I want it. So once you get it the firmness you want it, then you can close that up. And now you're ready to sleep. You got your nice soft velvety pillow. But it does have these two nice big bungee strap right here. So I've got an extra large Thermarest. So we're gonna see how it fits on there. Let's check it out. Oh, that's perfection right there. Oh man, that's nice. I was worried because my air mattress is so big. I was worried that the bungee wouldn't fit around it, but it fits really, really nice. So let's lay down here a little bit. Oh man. So, and since you can adjust the height and so forth, but I'm a side sleeper, so I like the fact that it's soft. I can get my hand under there. Yeah, that's comfy, guys. That is comfy. So you gotta like that. Plus this outer layer can come off and you can throw that in the washing machine. So, you know, for some reason when you get home from camping, everything smells like smoke, like campfire smoke. So being able to wash this is really nice. And it's like a pillowcase. So, you know, wash it every couple times and you have a nice product that's gonna last you a long time. So the two-way valve is really nice, really fast. Plus you can stuff it really, really quickly. Also, it'd be a nice thing for road trips. So this is a great road trip pillow. Also great for traveling. So on the airplane and so forth, you saw how small it packs down into this little pouch, and it has a little carabiner. So on the side of your backpack where you can stick your water bottle, you can shove this in there and clip it to one of the straps, which is nice. And now everything is ready to go for traveling. So let me show you guys how fast this thing stuffs back into itself. And with this valve that opens up all the way, and it all comes out real fast. There you go, done. So leave the valve open until you get it almost all the way in the sack. Okay, pull it tight, shove that in, And there we go. We are ready to go traveling. So really cool product. So the inflatable pillow, Trakiom. I'm really happy with this stuff. I really feel Trakiom is a great product, a great brand. It's been really good to me, so real excited about it. So I'll throw a link in the description if you guys want to check it out, but it's quality. It feels like a premium product for not a premium price. So 2 thumbs up, Trakiom. Thanks, guys. Have an awesome day. Don't forget to like and share. Hit that subscribe button. We're camping, having fun.